up. Make sure say when you post me video, you talk it through them when me talking. See somebody just tag say King Mix Up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King Mix Up. Make sure King Mix Up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Okay, people, y'all didn't believe me when I did the review saying Queen Nicki out here is playing chess with your pawns, Cardi B and Shenseea. You see me, I say, because when I said that Nicki Minaj outsmarted Cardi B, that's exactly what she did. And I'm going to explain 2 reasons why. You feel me? So, like I said, Nicki Minaj said, I'm the one who keeps these bitches under pressure. And we know who she's talking about, Cardi B and Shenseea specifically. Because you know, Nicki Minaj take Cardi B endorsement the other day for Call of Duty. You see me, I say? But anyway, the reason why Nicki Minaj said she got these bitches under pressure because you know it was Cardi B's birthday. You see me, I say? And she said some days you gotta just say F it. So many things out here out of control. And instead of spending time worrying about how to fix it or make it better, you can just throw your hands up and say F it. So today, you know, she said F it. You know what I mean? F it is like giving up. You see me? I said so. We know, say, the pressure build up in a Cardi B and she can't take it no more. And she's bound to explode soon. You know what I mean? Because, you know, when pressure bust pipe, you don't know the thing go. You feel me? But people, look. Chess, not checkers. Last year, this time, the whole world and the moon was praising Cardi B in Jamaica. Yes. Because, you know, dancehall can't style. And when she had the Pasa birthday party, the whole of America was ecstatic about it. You feel me? All of the Yankee them said them want dressed like, you know, dancehall queen and all of these things. You see me, I say. So this time last year, Cardi B had the whole world talking about her. And people who was like, boy, look how long Nicki said she love Jamaica and all of these things. And she never do nothing for Jamaica yet. You see me, I say. But then, boom, fast forward, you know, to this year. Me not see nobody wish Cardi B happy birthday. Nobody that was at Cardi B birthday party, me not see none of them wish Cardi B happy birthday. I could be wrong still. You know what I mean? If we see somebody that was there, wish her happy birthday, put in the comment section. But I have a feeling after I do this review and upload it, we're going to start see people wish Cardi B happy birthday, you see me, I say. So Nicki definitely got one up on Cardi B, people. Not only is nobody not talking about Cardi B, Nicki Minaj has trending songs in Jamaica and America. You know, the Freaky Girl remix is still bubbling, you see me, I say. So the whole world I talk on that. I know the people that might talk about the Fine 9 remix, whether them like it or not, that's what everybody's talking about. So you see Nicki been plotting this move against Cardi B to execute it around her birthday party. This is why we see the collaborations with Skilly Bang first, and then Skeng, and then the Fine mix. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, no, Cardi B, you know the only thing Cardi B can do right now is, yes, Cardi B will have to collaborate with Shenseea, Alkaline or Vibes Cartel, because trust me, bitches is petty. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Y'all females know how y'all females act towards y'all one another. Let's be honest. Y'all do y'all bodies to impress other females, not niggas. You see me, I say? So I'm pretty sure Cardi B is thinking how to win back Jamaican people's hearts. You know what I mean? And if she's not doing it to win back Jamaican people's hearts, she's doing it to get back at Cardi B. Not Cardi B. Nicki Minaj. Why, people, the lady them full of bagga, But speaking about Shenseea, people, she's throwing shots right back at Nicki Minaj after Nicki said Shenseea bad mind. And you know, boy, it's a hip-hop mattress and a struggle for boss or ask that in the mainstream industry, internationally speaking. You see me, I say. But honestly, people, when it comes to Shenseea, I think Nicki Minaj views her like Cardi B. You see me, I say, and you already know how Nicki views Cardi B. If you don't, well, let me explain it for you a little bit. Nicki Minaj views Cardi B as a talented stripper. Yes, who is used to sinking their mouths on hoods and now putting their lips on microphones. You feel what I'm saying? Basically, she feels that Cardi B is not an artist and that she sucked and fucked her way to the top. You see me, I say? And I think that's how she's viewing Shenseea, you know what I mean? Because force ripe arcade that them bring a market, go sell people. And if you don't know what that means, it's like in America when, you know, a car salesman sells you a lemon. You feel what I'm saying? It look good on the outside, but it's not working in the middle. Why? What I'm trying to say is, people, maybe Nicki Minaj feels the same about Shenseea, that she has no talent and, you know, her light-skinned colorist look and the licky sellout industry in Jamaica, you know, made her, you know, who she is. You know what I mean? For people that can be mentioning Shensea's name in the same sentence as Nicki Minaj. As you know, Shenseea has a couple bodies on her, you feel me, according to the streets. You see me, I say, you know, 21 Savage, they come out and say, fuck the Jamaican home. Rumors was having it that Drake breached Shenseea and shit, that's where they're pitting it. Because he requested, allegedly. You see me, I say. And as you know, London on the track is now London in the back, getting them back shots. Ja know. So when Shenseea said no man in that Jamaica and dancehall industry can say them say her pony, she may be telling the truth. You see me, I say. But when it comes to hip-hop, it's a different story. Now, a story that I haven't released to y'all is that Shenseea and Meek Mill possibly fucked. Yes, this is exclusive information. So may say anybody else run with it. Yeah, we know where you got it from. You see what I said? Because my industry insider told me months ago that it's not really 21 Savage Shenseea did I sleep with, you know. But it was really Meek Mill. You see what I say? And I heard Russian was quite upset. You know what I mean? Because she didn't have a publicist at that time. But I don't know if my industry insiders getting Meek Mill confused with 21 Savage. But nevertheless, how did Shenseea diss or shade Nicki Minaj? Well, let me remind you that it was only yesterday or a few days ago that, you know, yeah, they restocked it on the site and yeah, bought all of them again twice in one day, sold out twice. Yeah, my baby's really hungry, and she's talking about the Nicki Minaj rap snacks, potato chips have sold out a second time. You know, I mean, I think the first time they sold out in 10 minutes. Is him. So when I saw Shenseea do this in her IG story,
I'm about to try this Boosie noodle. Damn! I can hear it cursing me out already. Okay, it's really good, guys. I haven't eaten for 9 hours. And, you know, I'm not mad that this is the first thing that I ate. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna be eating Boosie more often. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, when she did that, I know she want Boosie to talk about her, to send her viral, because, you know, everything Boosie said got viral. And plus, Boosie, they want to put some hard cock on Shenseea put on. But he never got a chance to because they haven't met yet. You feel me? And you know, London on the track, I am rich. And you see me, I say, ja know. Shenseea is right. She no lick ass and I give it to Nicki Minaj. You see me, I say, but let's again, I'm update what I'm going for not to go on. You see me, I say, me people. And now, people, on I both for watch a video, but I don't want to for laugh, you know. You see me, I say, I don't think Mark Zuckerberg runs YouTube, but nevertheless, let's take a listen.
Mark, the owner of YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. Mark, I don't know if it's YouTube, but Mark, I would like to invite you over here to eat at Nicole Bogafoler house. You know, right now, Mark, this has Mr. Chicken Wing that I can't afford. Mark, me have beg you, give me a man. Me put one of your friend now. I'm over here, so me have my rice and my garlic, basmati, yes, and garlic. Yeah, and you know, we cook kosher as well. Mark, help me.
Yeah, Mark, you better leave Kanye alone. Anyway, people, man, not longer this, not longer, you know. Don't forget to comment on Shenseea, this up Nicki Minaj with Boosie and Spice not wishing Cardi B happy birthday, and Nicki Minaj having these bitches under pressure. Yes, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music overviews, and gossips. Bless.